So guys, here you can see today I'm going to record this video to explain you how we can use new lines in Python. So here I want to explain you what I have learned today. So if I need to create a new line in Python, so how we can do that? We just suppose that we are writing this that my name is Ajay or and I live in Hyderabad. Okay, and if I print this, then it will return a single line. And if I want to break this line in new line, I want to see this line into different line. Then how we can do that and how we can achieve that. So today we will learn how we can do that. So for that we have a two way. One way is this: we use a triple inverted commas, and another is using the slash n. So we will see both. So for that, suppose I want to go after here into new line, so just slash n, and then you can see now you have two line. But please make sure that here is a one space. It should be start with proper in and alignment. So for that, what you can do, you just remove this space. You can't do like that. If you do like that, you will get not an error. You can see here. You can see there is only a one. So what you can do here, just do this. Now you have this, but you need to remove this space, and you will get this proper in proper line with proper alignment. Okay, I think it makes sense for you. And if you want a multiple line, if you want a uh, space between line, then you just use again and enter. You can see here uh, space between lines. You can see this is a multiple line. You just, if whatever you want space, just press and you will get space between the lines. So this is the one way. Another way is this: how we can achieve the same with without using the n. Just type it again, and this time we will not use n. So just remove this. If we do like this, then our code will not work because Python don't understand the break line. It this confused. Here we have started and we so it because Python interpret the code line by line. So if we want the same format as we are seeing, so we use triple quote. Okay, so like this, and now you can see same result. But in that case, if you try to format this like that in your Python code, then you will get the indentation issue. So here you see one indentation, so in output you will see the not proper like that, so you will see the space, no proper alignment. So please make sure whenever you do use these triple quote, make sure it should be without indentation like that. Now you will see this is proper, but this line is not proper, so there should not be no indentation if we are using the triple comma. I hope now this is clear. Thank you very much.